Body wave is the most common move in feminine dance styles. Let's learn the basic wave together. We'll start with a less amplitude wave. The most important part in this move is our lower back, pelvis and tummy. First, we bend our lower back, move your pelvis forward. At this point, we round our lower back and move it backwards and there bend again. Bend and push forward, round and push backwards. Try to combine these movements into one move. Other parts of the body will catch the move. Practice as much as you need. And when you get this move, let's go to the next stage, the amplitude wave. Spread your legs, bend your knees, and bend your lower back. Then you're like diving forward. Rise up and straighten your knees. Then circle your back, go down and bend again. Let's break this move into more details. Imagine there is a wall in front of you, and you're trying to touch the wall with every part of your body, starting from your head, then chest, then your tummy and ending at your pelvis. Then circle your back, go down and bend. From here, dive again. Repeat as many times as you need. Try not to stop. Gradually add speed and enjoy your waves.